Hello friends, in this video you will see how we can use Python strings special operators. So let's understand the concept by doing practical. So my first string is hello and in variable b, the second string is Python. So the first special operator we can use with the string, that is plus. Plus operator is used for concatenation. It will concatenate our strings, so it will extract hello or Python and return the value hello Python. Next is asterisk. It is used for repetition, or you can say for replication. So it will replicate or repeat hello 2 times. If you use 3, so it will return 3 times hello. Next is slice operator. It gives the substring from the given index. When you use a1, so it will extract at index position 1 from variable a, so it will return e. The index position of e is 1. The next operator is slice operator, or you can say range slice. It gives a substring from the range. Our range will start from 1 and it will end with 3 because n minus 1, that is 3. So it will return at index position 1, 2, 3 the elements at index position 1, 2 or 3, so it will return ELL. Next is in operator. In is a membership operator. It will return true if character exists in the given string, otherwise it will return false. For example, print h in a, it will return true because h substring exists in a, so in is the membership operator. You can use not in membership operator. H not in a, it will return false. So you can use these operators. Next operator is raw string. If you want to print /n, so how we can print /n, because /n, if you use /n within code, so it will use or considered as a escape sequence for new line or next line. So how to print this /n? So we can use r for raw string, so it will print exactly the same character. You can use a small r or capital R for raw string. Next operator is %. How to use % operator? Let's see. For example, I want to print a statement. I am %s for a string and my weight is %d for decimal values. Use %format operator and substitute value. First is Amit as a string, and for %d the value 50. So it will return I am Amit and my weight is 50 kg. So you can use this % operator for formatting. Thanks for watching the video, and in our next video we will work with Python string functions, how to use functions with strings. Thank you for watching the video.